What if you could build powerful automations without writing a single line of code?
In this series, I'll teach you how to use powerful no-code tools to automate real-world tasks step by step from scratch. You'll build real workflows, tools you can actually use, or even sell, and grow into a freelance business. Others are already doing it. Start today, before you get left behind.
Last tutorial, we created a hotel room booking form that saves submission directly into the Google Sheet using n8n. Now let's take it a step further. We will set it up so that you receive an email notification through Gmail every time somebody fills the form. Let's do it. So here I have filled up my Gmail ID where I wanted the mail to be sent. And here the subject line, simply it's like a new hotel booking request. And you can fill it the way you want it to be. And now here comes the main thing, which is the message or the email that I will be receiving that will be having all the like the body text. So here it's saying like, hi, a new booking has been submitted. So the name would be over here and the room type would be described over here. So every time a different name would be here. So for that, I would be dragging this ID from here, just like this. And similarly, I will do for the room booking also, like the room type. That's it. So every time, whatever name would be there, this will make sure that that particular name would be there, not just a single type. Whatever a different entry would be there, that entry would be filled over here, and for the room type as well. And this thing is done. Make sure that this is selected under expression. That's it. This thing is completed. Let's just check it out by clicking on execute step from here. So if you could see that node execution have been successfully completed, that means that one email have been sent. So let's just go and check. So here if you could see that I have received the email. So if you could see that the email I have received, but it does not have some correct formatting as we wanted. So all we need to do is like apply a line break over here. That is like this. If we want the line to be like starting after a new line, so all you need to do is use this line break. That's it. Now all we have to do is like we can test this thing out like all together. Let's just test it again. Okay, so hopefully like correct email we must have received. Let's check and refresh. Yeah, we have received another mail, and yes, it's correctly received. So here if you could see that I have received the email. So if you could see that the email I have received, but it does not have some correct formatting as we wanted. Execute the whole workflow again. All you need, like whatever information you are going to input, it would be filled right here. Okay, so we have submitted the form. All we have to do is hopefully it should be there in the Google Sheet. But now we have to check, like, have we received the email? Let's just check it again. Go to the inbox. Yes, we have just received a new booking request. You could see that its name is YouTuber and similar to there. Whatever details that we have filled, the similar thing we have received. So hopefully it was easy for you to understand. And I'll be uploading similar workflows with a step further. So please stay connected and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.